Hi guys, it's me again, Joyce, and welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'll be sharing with you what's inside my makeup kit. So yes, I'm super excited to share it with you guys since if wala lang for I am excited to share with you what's inside my makeup kit since most of them are very affordable and budget friendly lang. Kaya since ako, I'm not fan of buying mahal na mga makeup since I don't have that enough money to buy it. So all of my makeups are budget friendly and most students can buy this. So without further ado, let's start this video. It's my... So as you can see, wait up, bana ako. So this is my makeup kit. So gamay na ni siya. Like, ingani na siya kagamay. And this suglanan is not for makeup jud. I just found it at sa school supplies, and I think okay na siya para sudlan sa akong makeup. So this is my makeup kit. So usahay dili na ko siya dinada jud kay it's very big for a kanang ibutan na ko siya sa mga gagmay na bags, and so kaysa na makeup na ko except sa akong mga skincare. So, wala na ko gapila ni mga foundation, wala. So, essentials na siya na ako na go-to lang siya ng mga makeup. So, yes, this is my makeup kit and I will show you what's inside. So, let's start. 3, 2, 1. For the first item, so, kung saan lang ako mapunet mga orasyon. So, first is, I have my powder. So, I have my two-way cake na foundation. And it is from Fashion 21. Like this one. Fashion 21. And I am in the shade number 2. So, yes, this is my foundation, Jud, since I was in college. And then, I stopped. And then, ibalik ko ani kay gusto na ko ma-try siya balik. So, okay na siya for its price. I think it is only 200 or below, basta almost 200 if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. Very affordable and very nice. So, another is my go-to brushes. These are my go-to brushes. Mura din siya naa sa akong makeup kit. Since mura siya perminti na ako magamit. And then this is my spoolie for my eyebrow. This is for my eyebrow for the eyeshadow. And this one for my blush. This one is for my blush, and this one is for my eyeshadow po, and also for a kanang kung ganahan ta mag nose line, so like that. So maron siya sulod sa ako ang makeup kit. Most of my brushes naara siya sa ako sa akong vanity. Vanity. So naara siya sa ako ang tanganan og mga skincare routine like that. So, another is this eyeshadow from Fashion 21. It is their eyeshadow kit in the shades number 6. So, excuse me. So, this is Fashion 21. I am also a fan of Fashion 21 kay most of my makeups are from Fashion 21, and I think I have 4 na makeups na gikan 3 makeups na ginagamit na ko from Fashion 21. So another is also my highlighter powder. It is from LOL. LOL na brand. And I super duper love it. Kay, naana siya duha ka buok na color. And this one, I think it is from kanang gold na shimmer. And also this one is rose gold na shimmer. So, super love it. Nakita na ang pants also. So, it means that I usually use it. But, dili ko everyday nag-highlight. Okay. Like that. So, kung naara ko yung mga videos, and also like that. So, another is my lipsticks. So, I have here 2 Super Stay na matte from Maybelline. Like this one. I am in the shade Amazonia. This is my favorite colors in the Seductress. So, yeah, super love it. Very super stagey siya. And also, I have my lip tints. Yeah, I also have my lip tints. So, I super love this. This is from Everbelena. And another one is from Siren Baser. So, I got this from Instagram. Name sa ilahang Instagram is Mermaid Bohol. And this is one of their lip tints. So, I super love this. Mano siya akong gamit karon. So, and also, I have here my blush-ons. So, I have 2 different blush-ons. First is this cream multi-pot na cream blush-on from Careline. I am in the shade Magic Spell and also Head Over Heels. So, since this is my first purchase, kaning Head Over Heels, and hapit na siya mahurot. Like that. No? Gamay na lang. Gitilok na lang na siya nako. And also, I got another Careline multi-pot in the shade na Magic Spell. And I super duper love this. And it is very kanang good for drunk blush. Super duper nice. And mao ni siya ang iyang shade. Wait. It is creamy. Yeah. Mao ni siya iyang shade. Blendable. While the other shade, the Head Over Heels, is this one. Kuan ko siya. And also, blendable sa siya. Like that. Diba? So, my God! So, these 2, I super duper love this. This is my favorite na cream blush on. And yeah, I also have a powder blush on. So, this is from Nichido in the shade Tomato. So, mostly ako nagabutan ko cream blush on. Then, after that, patungan ako siya o powder na blush. I don't know. Wala. Parpod. Mas ganahan ko sa yung effect. Since cream akong first na ginabutang and then patungan ako siya powder na blush on, it feels like it mattifies siya. It feels like that if it mattifies my blush if ginabutangan ako siya powder blush. And I super duper love the shades. And this one, Rush of Coral na shade, and it is also good sad for drunk blush. And ang ako alam downside ani is, well, it is nice mampod siya. Well, it is nice mampod siya, but dili siya kaayo that pigment. Hindi ka mahadlok if madaghanan ni mo butang sa sa brush. So let's try. So, di ka maglok magbutang sa imuhang blush kung sa kadaghan. Kay, di mo po siya inana kabaga. Like that. So, scary lang. So, another is, I have another lipsticks. Basta, for the lips is, I have here a lipstick from L'Oreal. Pero siya, grabe makasosyal. So, kani siya kani siya, hinatag rin noon ni siya. But I super duper love this since branded siya. L'Oreal Paris. Like that. So hinatag rin ni siya. Kadi ko maka-afford yung ngani like this. Yung ngani. And I super duper love about this is pang party jud siya. As in, super duper shiny siya. So, I don't know. The color is like this. Nana yung color. But dili siya maklaro inigbutang nimo sa imong lips since ang imurang makitaan is ang siya if you are a fan of glitters like that. Well, ganahan ko, but di na ko siya everyday ginagamit kay I'm not that fan of lips glitters like that. So I have here my Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss Flavored Lip Shine. So this one is a lip gloss. But the thing about this one is that dili siya ing ana ka very kanang mura bito kag kakaon og kanang oily food like that. So dili siya ing ana ka oily but satin ra jud iyang finish and I super duper love it. It is very lightweight ra sa imong lips. You feel like wala kay gibutang gloss sa imong lips. So that is mo ni siya ganahan ko ana. And another is that I have also my Vaseline na lip therapy in the shade Rosy Lips. So this one is a very 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 favorite nako since I have a dry lips, like kanang lips bitaw nga naka-dry kanang birahon nimo siya and masamad siya. So mostly ing ana jud akong lips and ni try and I decided na murag di na jud siya sakto, like di na ko ganahan, like super dry. I don't, basta magdugo na gud na akong lips basta birahon ako siya kay I am fan of picking na kanabit ang mga dry na something sa akong lips. Ganahan dyan ako siya ginapaksit. I went to Watson and tan ako sila mga lip balm like that. So we try ko ng Vaseline and it is very worth it. And very worth it rapod sa price since it is 100, like 100 plus, below 150. Ingana na yung presyo, or I think it is below 100, something like that. So I super duper recommend this Vaseline lip therapy kay promise makawala jud siya sa dryness sa imuhang lips. So for my eyebrow, I have also here from EB Advanced Perfect Eyebrow in the shade Medium Brown. So kani siya, ni-try ra ko ani og palit since alam, ni-try ra po ko. Ang ako adyang ginagamit is this Everbelana. Yeah. Everbelana siya. Collaboration ni Chris na eyebrow liner and brow mascara. I super duper love it but hurot na siya. Wala ko siya nalabay kay sayangan ko sa brush sa mascaras. Wala ko siya nalabay. You preserve. So kani siya, first pa na ko ni siyang na-try na i-use. So pencil siya, not like sa isa na kani is automatic ka lang din. And for the last makeup that I will share with you is my super favorite. So ang favorite is this Fashion 21. Wala na ang name. So it is the Fashion 21 na mascara and I super duper love it because it has a very fine na brush look. And sayon kay siya i-glide sa imuhang pilok. Super duper love it since it is lightweight and also mas mo thicker and mo lengthen ang imuhang eyelashes. But, kanang thick na dili bitaw siya maot tan-awon. Like, it's natural gihapon. And the length sa iyahan, very natural. Dili siya type sa mascara na kung ibutang nimo mag-clump-clump bitaw siya. Because, tungod sa iyang fine brushes, and I super duper love it. And I think it is only 250 and very affordable. Dili parehan sa uban na very mahal, but well, worth it kay mahal siya. But this one is very affordable but very, very worth it. So, yeah, that is my last. Wala na siya soon. Wala na siya soon. And, ay, napadiay. So, this, ano siya, sharpener sa akong eyebrow pencil. So, yeah! So, I think that is it for this video. So, if you're planning to buy some affordable na mga makeup, so, I highly recommend all those kanang products that I've shown you earlier. So, yes, I think that is it for this video. So, if you like this video, just don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button down below so you get me notified every time I post a new video. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope I can see you on my next one. Bye!
Be happy. Come on with me, baby.